This Sika deer is just 3 feet tall. His diet of dead leaves is filling, but it's not the tastiest, and it doesn't satisfy his sweet tooth. If only he could reach the fruits and berries high above. But there are windfalls in Yakushima, if you know where to find them. Japanese macaques. This is the gang he was hoping to find. Now, he just has to be patient. And the macaques are the key to the sweetest food in the forest. They say good things come to those who wait. All the deer know that these monkeys are messy eaters. The food they drop is packed with sugars. But there's only so much to go around. The deer make the most of the feast while it lasts. But a distracted stag becomes the perfect plaything. And it turns out there's no such thing as a free lunch. In return for eating his fill, the deer is taken for a joyride. It's good to keep your allies on your side. But this is definitely the last stop.